Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, let us see comparing changes with the Git diff hands-on. So I'm going to create a new repository, Git diff. Okay, I'm going to initialize the repository git init, and now I'm going to create a file called fruits.txt. Okay, let me make a commit, git add git commit add empty file. Okay, now I'm going to edit this fruits file. Apple, banana, orange, mango. Okay, let me do multiple commits. So for that, git commit. So AM means add and message. Add apple. Okay, now let me add banana. Let me commit the change. Add banana. Okay, now let me add orange, mango. Orange and mango. Okay, now if I run git log, I can see there are 4 commits: empty file, apple, add banana, add orange, and mango in the master branch. Okay, now if I run git diff, it won't display anything. Now let me add something. Okay, now I'm deleting mango, adding strawberry, blueberry, and saving the changes. Now if I run git diff, you can see there is a minus and plus here. So that means here we can see minus a slash fruits and then plus b slash fruits. So this is the staged file that we already done, and this is the unstaged changes. For example, here with the staged file, we did add the mango, and now we deleted that, and we have added additionally strawberry and blueberry. So slash here plus b means which is the unstaged changes file, and a means that is the staged file. So in the unstaged file, we have added these two entries, and in the staged file, we have deleted this entry. Okay, now let us see using git diff head command. So now I'm going to create a new file called veggies.txt. Okay, now if I run git diff, okay, we don't see that. Git diff head, okay, it will be the same result. Now I'm going to edit the file, caret. Okay, still it is the same result. Now let me stage this new file, git add. Okay, now if I run git diff head, now we can see that this new file, the wedges.txt that we have created, because we have staged this file but we haven't committed it. So here you can see the minus symbol, dev null, that means it was not exist before, and plus means this is the staged file, and we have added this entry plus caret in this file. Okay, so you may have also noticed this, the existing file about this unstaged data. So now let me commit this changes. And before that, let us also see the git diff staged command. Git diff staged. Okay, so this will give only list the staged data. We can also use hyphen cached, and this also will be listing the staged files. For example, wedges.txt, this is the staged file and we haven't committed it. And if we have multiple files in the branch, we can use git diff head, and for example we can use fruits. So this will only list about the particular file that we have mentioned here. And if I mention only the wedges, it will only list the wedges file with the changes. And now if I add multiple files, I can use that using the space. Okay, now it will give the result for both the files we have mentioned. Okay, to commit the changes, git commit. Okay, now if I run git status, we can see only the fruits.txt modified. And now if I run git diff head, we don't see the wedges because we did the commit. So if we specify head, that will only output the staged data. And if I run git diff staged, now we don't see anything here. Okay, so that's it in this video, and I'll see you in the next.